My name is Peter Sawe. I'm the Press Operations Manager at Nation Media Group. The Guidewheel system gave me visibility into the press operations. So I would log in even when I was at home and be able to see the operations of the press, whether they have started productions and the speeds at which they were running it, because I would know from the energy consumption patterns. We were also able to measure the OEE and energy intensity. And this led us to the realization that when we combine productions that were meant to be produced separately, we were able to use less energy in that combined production compared to when we printed the two sub-products separately.